Hey guys, this is Kurt down at Carnes Equipment with a 2013 Can-Am Spyder ST Limited. Great Spyder, just over 7,200 miles, 7,267 to be exact. A lot of great features. Of course, they have the storage up front. You do have the adjustable windshield that has a Garmin GPS on it. The saddlebags, which are removable and lockable. Backrest, which is really nice. What's nice about this is you can even move this forward if you're riding by yourself. So you got that adjustability there. Of course, it's got the rear fender already on there in beautiful color. Black currant, excuse me, is the color of it. I know it looks black, but it is called black currant. Like I said, great machine, cup holder on it. Guy wanted something different, so he traded in. So if you're looking for a great Can-Am Spyder, this is perfect. This is right up your alley. So come down to Carnes Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-324-5251, and you can find it on our website at carnesequipment.com.